I'm back. In my haste, I forgot the Hitcher. I did this one. I bought this. I had to pre-order this one from Diabolic DVD as well. And I'm not going to get rid of. Look at that. That's the first time I've seen it to where you can just move it back. And look how sturdy. This is all the stuff you see. I'm a big fan. Look at that. You can see the... I don't know if you can see him. So here's the lobby card. See, I didn't even bother to... oh, by the way, I think it... I want to put this back in the thing, so... this does not want... Okay, so those are some of the lobby cards. There you go. I really recommend this movie. It's a movie I saw a long time ago. And I'll do a review on the movie once I actually... I think you can see him. It's hard. I don't want to break this. Okay, there you go. Alright, and then of course here's the movie. There's the 4K and the Blu-ray, and then also you get, look at that, the book. This is a book. I'm not kidding. Is this a script version? Oh no, this is just a hard book. Look at that. Get to the Hitcher. There you go. This is like a thick book that I've never seen. Dude, there's just to give you a little hint of what they do. I highly recommend it, by the way. And look, this is the screenplay. They actually have the screenplay, see? This is a screenplay to the movie, which is unheard of. Normally they don't do that. So there you go. That is what they have for that. And with that, I am out of here. I apologize. I forgot to add the Hitcher, my favorite part, next to the Trick or Treat release. And this was from Second Sight, by the way. Second Sight released this movie. They're a very good company. So with that, I'm out of here again.